Hello, this is Kenny the Handyman here with another helpful repair and maintenance tip. So today I wanted to give you a heads up about a faulty engine replacement diagnostic that was actually the real culprit was a faulty sensor called the engine crankshaft position sensor. So what happened is I was coming home from vacation on a long road trip, and this indicator right here, this one right here with the squiggly line, looks like almost like a traction control signal. That came on, and then my car started losing power. I couldn't go past 30 miles an hour, and basically I ended up pulling off to the side of the road, and then I couldn't even start the car, so I had the car towed in to the shop. Well, the shop looked at it and they said, "Oh, your engine's shot. You need a new engine." And yes, this is a 2017 Hyundai Elantra with 184,000 miles on it, but I've never had any issues with the engine. No smoke coming out or any kind of typical engine faulty type symptoms that you're going to get when the engine's about ready to go. So there was no symptoms at all. So I didn't accept that diagnostic, and I had him tow it to another mechanic who gave me the same diagnosis that I had to replace my engine. And so at this time I needed the car, so I said, well, go ahead and replace it. They replaced it with a salvage engine with only 58,000 miles on it. But anyways, it ended up costing me $3,300 for the engine swap. Well, drove it home, it drove fine. The next day I started up and got the same error again. So, but luckily this time I was able to drive it back to a different shop who this time diagnosed it as the engine crankshaft position sensor. And basically the symptoms of that is exactly what I was experiencing, a loss of power, and if it's bad enough, the engine won't even start, like what happened the first time. So I am absolutely convinced that that was the problem all along, and I ended up paying for a engine swap when that wasn't necessary. So I was hoping that other people will get this message, and if they ever get that type of diagnosis, check out that sensor, because that sensor is only a $70 part. This applies to my 2017 Hyundai Elantra, but I'm sure it applies to any other type of a vehicle that has the same type of sensor. All right, that's it for now. Take care.